Do you think it's a good idea for people to buy Silver Eagles right now, or should they stick with lower premium stuff?
My personal opinion is this.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking with Ryan from Northest Arkansas Coin Company. That is a local coin shop in Jonesboro, Arkansas. We're going to ask him about silver premiums on rounds, Silver Eagles, and more. We're going to talk about demand in the shop and what customers think about these premiums. So let's get into it. But really quick, if you are new here, don't forget to go down below and make sure you are subscribed. It really helps me out, and I greatly appreciate it. So thank you. And with that said, let's get Ryan in and see what he has to say. Hey everybody, it's Silver Seeker. We are here with Ryan from North Arkansas Coins. How's it going, man?
It's going good, buddy. It's going good.
So, can you tell us a little bit about yourself? You and your dad are a coin dealer, right?
Yes, sir. We are a coin dealer in Northeast Arkansas. Yes, sir.
Yeah, and how long have you guys been in the business?
My dad's been in the business 40 years. I've been in the business 15.
15. So guys, the reason I have Ryan on is obviously we've been covering premiums and silver spot price and everything for a while. And given that he's on the front lines, he's actually in the shop every single day buying and selling, I thought that we would bring some questions and see what he could tell us about what's going on the local level. And Ryan, I want to start with premiums. Obviously, premiums have been a big topic right now. What does that look like for you as a dealer? Are you also paying higher premiums?
Yes, actually, since about October of last year, our premiums have significantly increased on just normal bullion, Britannias, Maple Leafs, especially Maple Leafs, and Eagles. Eagles, the premiums have gone outrageous with Eagles. On my side, as on the retail side. Normally what we have seen in the past years, we were able to get it for about half of what we currently can get it for now. It's costing us double.
Right.
What it used to cost us just to order it. And most mints are requiring larger orders, lock-ins, prepay available. You have to prepay before you get anything. And sometimes you have to wait upwards of 4 to 6 weeks just to get it. Now, on some of the mint silver, it's a little bit easier to get, but the premiums have just considerably kept going up. We constantly see an increase of 50 cents to $1.50. And here recently, we ran this trail where it is $1.50 constant. And that's how much we're paying more just to get it.
Right. So you're paying more than that just to get it. So give me an example. Like right now, if you were to, and you don't have to give me an exact quote because I know the numbers change, but right now, what would the premiums look like if you were to order, say, a box of Buffaloes from a private mint?
You could pay easily $3.50, $4 over spot just to get it.
As a dealer?
As a dealer.
And obviously you have to turn a profit, so of course then you'll have to sell it for higher than that.
Yes, you have to sell it for higher than that, and what people don't understand is the premiums that they see that they're getting charged, it's just us trying to make 5-10%, because on gold and silver, you're lucky to make 10%. People don't understand that, and on gold, you're lucky to make 3%, 2%. Just because of what you're paying, just because of everything you're doing. I'm paying right now on Buffaloes on large orders upwards of $3 and some change, and I'm having to place 1,000-ounce orders.
Right, so it's not like you can just order 10, 20 ounces at once. So like if a customer walks into your shop and just buys 5 ounces, it's not like you can just reorder that 5 ounces immediately. You have to wait till you sell enough to place another order, right?
Yes, or I have to do something that we consider a pre-buy, which means I will pre-lock in every month so many 1,000 ounces just so I have a constant supply coming in. Now, that can also backfire on me if, let's say, I don't sell all of it. I still have to pay right when I order for that 1,000, 2,000 ounces. So I could be heavy in silver, and it's happened before.
And you have to prepay, so you'll pay that weeks before it even comes in.
Yes, like I said, you will have to pay a minimum of 4 weeks, sometimes 6, before you ever receive your silver.
Wow. Now, let me ask you this. What's the demand been in your store? Have people still been coming in and buying it, even with the current premiums?
I, to this day, have still seen 2 to 3 new people a day that will come in and purchase. I have not seen any steady decrease. In fact, it's actually been an increase at a constant motion of 2 to 3 new people a day that will come in, call, email us, say, hey, what do you have in stock? And my problem is I don't always have it in stock.
Now, what about regulars? Do regulars still come in and buy at these premiums?
Yes, I haven't lost a single regular that has come in at the beginning in October.
Right.
Because as people know, we got the sales tax repealed in the state of Arkansas. So since then, and it went into effect October of last year, our business has just steadily boomed. And I'm even pulling people that used to order from Atmex, JM Bullion, SD Bullion.
Wow. So let me ask you another question. Have people been complaining about the premiums at all?
The only complaints I ever have about premiums are on Silver Eagles, and it's because they're so high right now. And at base, for me to purchase Silver Eagles, it's $8 to $10 over spot, which is just ridiculous whenever you can buy from me Maple Leafs, Kangaroos, Britannias cheaper. And that is still mint silver. It's just made by a world mint. That's the only difference.
So you're paying $8 to $10 over for Eagles, and spot right now is barely 21. So that's a 50% premium that you pay if you have to pay 10 before you even get to sell it. Do you think it's a good idea for people to buy Silver Eagles right now, or should they stick with lower premium stuff?
My personal opinion is to stick with lower premium stuff. If you want it for straight investing, then you go straight bullion. It's the best buy you can get. But if you're looking for mint silver, it is a lot cheaper to buy Britannias, Austrian Philharmonics, Kangaroos, Maple Leafs. Maple Leafs are a little high, but they're still cheaper than an Eagle. Because if I'm paying 8 to 10, you guys are going to pay more than that because I have to make a little money.
Right. So, Ryan, I have one last question for you, and I know that you're on the other side of the table, so this is going to be kind of biased. But with the premiums where they are, do you think it's a good idea to buy silver at all?
Yes. I do think it's
And why?
a good idea to continuously buy, actually. For one, if you have bought it at a higher price, you can always leverage out. There's no difference. Two, silver and gold keep up with inflation. They're a hedge against inflation. They're the best hedge you can have. At any point in time, you can go to your local coin dealer and resell it. Yeah, you take a small cut, but it's better than losing everything playing with the stock market, trying something more risky like cryptocurrency. It's a metal that you can also hold in your hands. You get to hold it, not someone else. You get to choose when you want to sell it. So it's your best hedge against inflation. There's an old saying that my dad taught me and that I've heard a lot. Back in the 40s and 50s, 1 ounce of gold could buy you a fine tailored suit. Today, 1 ounce of gold could buy you a fine tailored suit. It keeps up with the way markets are. And back then, I mean, hell, a fine tailored suit was $50, $60. Today, a fine tailored suit, $1,000 to $2,000. It stays right with gold. I mean, it stays with everything. And the way inflation is going in today's market, I mean, you look at what we're doing with paying extra, food costs, everything. The way inflation is on the rise, it's your best hedge against that inflation for your money.
Awesome. So, Ryan, do me a favor. Tell everyone where your shop is and how they can reach you if they have any questions or if they just want to come by and visit.
We are located in Jonesboro, Arkansas, right down the street from Sam's. It's on 2711 South Caraway. We're a full open shop, 1,600 square foot, and that's pretty much it. That's where we're located.
Awesome. Well, thanks for joining me, man. I appreciate it.
I appreciate it.
We will be down there sometime to actually check out your shop as well sometime in the near future. So I'll look forward to that.
Sounds good, brother.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
So there you go, guys. That was Ryan from Northest Arkansas Coin Company. They are located in Jonesboro, Arkansas. Hopefully in the future we will be able to visit their shop in person and take a look around, see what they have, and of course ask some more questions of both Ryan and his father Tom, who run that shop there. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do me a favor, don't forget to go down below and make sure you like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And with that said, we will see you next time.